Redshift and Blueshift worksheet type A. Question number 1. A galaxy is moving closer to Earth if it is what? Shows an expanding redshift, was formed during the Big Bang, shows a blueshift. Question 2. Answer the following. The graph below shows how far galaxies from Earth and how fast they are moving. So here's the graph. These numbers over here show the velocity in kilometers per second. Down here shows how far they are in distance in millions of light years from Earth. So Earth would be right here. So each of these dots represent the velocity of different galaxies. So if a galaxy is moving away from Earth with a velocity of 20,000 kilometers per second, how far is the galaxy from Earth? Is it about 500 million light years? About 1,500 million light years? Or about 1,000 million light years? So on this graph up here, you have to figure out the velocity, where the velocity of 20,000 matches up with on this line. And wherever it matches up with on the line, if you cross-sect it, it'll tell you the distance it is from Earth. So example of a velocity of 10,000 shows that the distance from Earth is probably about 500 million light years. So figure out where 20,000 is and figure out where that matches up for distance in millions of light years. Number 3. What do you call the cosmic explosion that scientists believe expanded and created the universe? Is it the Big Bang, supernova, or Milky Way? What do you call the cosmic explosion that scientists believe expanded and created the universe? Number 4. A group of stars that can form a pattern is a what? Is it a constellation, supernova, or Milky Way? What do you call a group of stars that form a pattern? Okay, question number 5. This occurs when objects traveling away from Earth emits a red color due to their increasing wavelength. What do you call that? This occurs again when objects traveling away from Earth emits a red color due to their increasing wavelength. Is that called a red sports car, red color, or red shift? Number 6. This is when objects are coming toward us are blue in color due to their decreasing wavelength. What is called this effect? Or what do we call this effect? This is when objects are coming toward us are blue in color due to their decreasing wavelength. What do we call that? Your word choices are blue bang, blue color, or blue shift. Number 7. Scientists are saying that most of the stars and galaxies show a red shift. What does that mean? Choose all that apply. So scientists are saying that most of the stars and galaxies show a red shift. What does that mean? That the stars and galaxies are moving farther away from Earth? The stars and galaxies are moving closer to Earth? Or Earth is moving away from them? Again, this is a choose all that apply. So if it's showing a red shift, what does it mean? Number 8. Blue shift basically means what? Choose all that apply. Things turn different colors in space, like the color blue. Things are moving closer towards us, or the stars then look blue from space. So what does blue shift basically mean? And question number 9. Answer the following. The way to solve this question is again to look at the bottom colors of the 3 galaxies. Look at the difference in the lines displayed? Are the double lines moved towards the blue or are they towards the red? Again, look at the double lines in the three galaxies in the picture. Which one is the closest to the red color or the farthest away? So here are your three pictures. Okay, as we showed you with that spectrograph in science class, these represent the colors that make up what you're seeing. Again, you've got red, green, and blue, and then you've got your secondary colors. So galaxy A, its light is made up of yellow and a little bit of blue. Galaxy B has a little bit of orange, a little bit of green, a little bit of blue blended together to make that color. And then galaxy C has a little bit of green, a little bit of orange, and a little bit of red. Redshift shows that the galaxies are moving farther away. So which one of these pictures here shows a galaxy moving farther away and moving towards the red color? That's the question. Is it galaxy A, galaxy B, or galaxy C?